Barcodes. We see them everywhere, and you generally use it to buy this. But have you ever wondered how they actually work? For this explanation, we'll use the first barcode symbology, the Universal Product Code. At first glance, it consists of black bars of different widths, with varying amounts of white space in between. But this is an optical illusion. There are actually 95 identical columns that can be either black or white. Blacks are 1 and whites are 0. Wider segments of the barcode are simply made up of multiple columns of the same color right next to each other. Because the columns stand for ones and zeros, barcode information is binary data, like all other digital information, no matter how complex. These 95 columns make up a 12-digit numeric code, with quiet zones, start and end bits, and a middle section with it. So, let's try to read this. Starting from the left, let's examine the first part of the barcode, which is slightly taller than the part in the middle. By itself, this doesn't tell us much. To make sense of these ones and zeros, we need to check the UPC standard. It tells us that 101 is used as a start and end code. Barcode scanners look for this pattern to determine where they should start reading the information. If we continue like this, we will eventually arrive at the middle section of the barcode, in which the bars are once again slightly longer than the rest. This sequence 01010 in binary tells the barcode scanner that the second half of the barcode is coming up. This is important because the right side uses different sequences of binary bits to represent digits than the left side. The number of ones in a sequence is always even on the right side, whereas it is uneven on the left side. This way, the barcode scanner can detect if it is scanning the code upside down. There's another built-in mechanism that helps barcode scanners read the data correctly. In the UPC-8 barcode example above, you can see that there is some white space above the 4 on the very left and the 8 on the very right. This quiet zone is also part of the barcode. It uses 9 zeros to better differentiate the main part of the barcode from its surroundings. The first 5 numbers after the start bit tells us about the manufacturer, and the other 5 numbers after middle section recognizes the item number. The last bit is the check bit. It is used to check whether the machine was able to identify the other 11 numbers correctly or not. It adds the digits in odd-numbered positions and multiplies them by 3. Then it adds it with sum of all even position numbers. And finally it finds the smallest number which can be added to form a multiple of 10. The result we get is the final check number. In case you were wondering, the height of the barcode doesn't really matter. Laser scanners project a thin horizontal beam of light onto the barcode to check which areas reflect the light and which don't. You can theoretically make it as high as you want. No matter if you scan the barcode example above or this comically enlarged one, the results will be the same. So, we can casually say that size doesn't matter. Also, to discuss the size, feel free to join my Discord server in the description box.